that it's 34 degrees and it's these cold metal bars. I just did that little workout, bro. I wish I could do so much more than that, but because it was 34 degrees and I kind of sound like a baby, but so it is prime Saturday morning, 7:46 a.m. It's honestly a great start to my day. And if you don't know who I am, my name is Timothy, and I just like going through my life and sharing some of the things that I've learned or realized that hopefully you can kind of realize too and think about. So yeah, I also love making these videos, and I wish I had videos like these 1 or 2 years ago, a few months ago even, when I was just kind of lost and confused and didn't know exactly what to do with my life, not doing the good habits as much, not being as disciplined, you know, stuff like that. School just takes up so much time and it's so boring sometimes. I'm just trying to make the most out of my Saturday, which is why I woke up, took a nice little cold shower, and then just went straight outside in the nice sunset, so sunrise, bro. But months ago and years ago, whenever it was Saturday, I would just watch YouTube. I just go on my phone and kind of just waste time, honestly. Just kill time, and before I knew it, it's Sunday night and then I have to go to school tomorrow. I wouldn't get any meaning, anything of value out of the weekends I have. Whenever I'd wake up at Saturday, I remember, I'd just wake up, completely forget everything that like I could do on a Saturday and just run to the computer and play some Fortnite. I'd play some Fortnite for a few hours, then I'd switch to Minecraft, and then I'd eat breakfast, and then I would, you know, watch some YouTube, play some more Minecraft, and then eat lunch. And then I would watch some more YouTube, be forced to do something from my mom, like go outside for 10 minutes, and then I just run back, play Fortnite, and then dinner, play Fortnite, and then sleep. Like, I feel like that's just a sad life that I was living for so long, and I didn't get any meaning or value from those times I just played video games. I'm sure we're both thinking like, oh, you probably could have done something else, you know? But no, I just want to play video games all the time. By the way, I made a video about why I quit video games forever and why I really think you should too. So click that video in the description, watch it for like 5 minutes, please. 5 minutes at least. Try to see what I'm saying and maybe you can agree with me. And because I feel like when I quit video games, it made me quit the other bad habits that were in my life. Relapsing, junk food, scrolling, watching so much YouTube. Like, I don't even watch YouTube anymore, bro. I just make videos. That's all I do. And now I'm able to be out here right now. I just try to use the Saturdays and Sundays and any days off I really have to my advantage. Because we can complain about school and stuff, but are we really trying to do other things in our life? Do we just do our school, do our work, and then just go to the computer and watch YouTube videos while we're eating? Or are we actually trying to do stuff in our life, you know? Because that's what I'm really trying to be focusing on lately, just doing stuff in my life. So use your Saturdays, use your Sundays to your advantage. Because before you know it, they're going to be gone and it's going to be Monday again. And you're going to be wishing you had some more free time. So instead of watching so much YouTube videos, I can probably make this the last video you watch today. Really try to do other stuff in your life. Maybe talk to a friend, maybe see if they want to go out here on a Saturday. Go on a walk like I am right now. Like, wouldn't you love to be here right now? So try to do more exciting other things in your life that will develop your character and develop you more as a person. Like that workout I did in the beginning, bro. Like, I probably kind of sucked at it, but I'm glad I did it because it was just something I tried doing and something new. So I'm grateful that I did it instead of just watching YouTube videos. So anyways, I'm gonna finish my little walk, go home, do some other stuff, make my Sunday count, spend some time with my family, connect with more people that I like. And if you want to connect also with people that you like and want to be around, join the Like-Minded Club in the description, because we're all in there. I'm in there too. It's a great place. We all want to learn and grow. So join that place to be with more like-minded people who you can actually relate to and actually want to make their Sundays count and Saturdays. So try making your Sundays count, and try to do something, have fun, bro. Enjoy the Sunday, enjoy the Saturday, enjoy that nice sunrise. And I'm enjoying my life right now. It's way better than just being sat inside. Do something, all right? Take care, bro. Peace. Bro, there was a runner that went past me. I just waved my hand and say good morning, bro. I just feel so great, bro. I actually did something, bro. Let's go.